walking to Ynys y Fro this morning. So wind has dropped lots. It's not raining at the moment. Looks absolutely lovely. Already sweating. Wearing far too much. But hey, well, my car's in the garage, so I've got to walk. Went to go yesterday, but it was far too windy. Just crossing the M4. The lake's just over there. So I might have to walk all the way around. Well, there we are. Beautiful day though. Sun's coming up nice. There's a canal. Crossing the canal. It's a 14 Locks lake pond, which they're rebuilding. Hopefully they'll put the old fishes back in there when they're done. So I've gone the wrong way. Across the bridge into the centre. Don't want to do that. Maybe we can get a coffee here on the way back. This away. It's like being back in Vasily. Hello horses. But these ones got coats. Walking around. A little bit of a breeze, but not too bad. Try this. Oh yeah. Happy days. I was on alert. Oh, look at him go. Not a very big one, certainly not my PB. Jumping out of the water. Looks entertaining. He's ready. Didn't think he'd be ready yet. Oh, he's not ready. Oh, come on. Check you out. Another beautiful rainbow. You okay? Oh, look at that, both of us. Two on at the same time. Just don't cross the beams. Oh, it's a lovely one, this. Yeah, yeah. Oh! Bastard. Bastard. Gutted. That was my PB. Definitely my biggest fish, that. Would have been. Got around the morning. Right, definitely changing flights this time. Seriously considering putting a bung on, trying to catch a fish like that. I've never done that before. Never caught one. Oh, what is it? Every time I say last cast. Oh. Is this going to be a decent one? No, that's still a small one. Oh, another beautiful one. Another beautiful one. Another beautiful one to go. Look at this. Oh, look at that one. Beautiful. 3. I reckon you're ready to go, aren't you? It's a golf ball will walk in front of me. Off we go. I know you want to go, don't you? You want to go and swim into the bottom of the net, yes. Don't tell me I wasn't filming for the last one.
Yeah, I don't think there's any chance of taking him in. Like you. Oh, yeah. It's like you can have him for an hour so I can go out to it's her friend's, someone's birthday or something. But he's like, well, can you not at least take Harry? She's like, it's an over 18s club. Like, no, I can't take Harry. She's like, I've given you plenty of notice. Can you not ask your mum?
Oh. You alright, mate? Looks like a reasonably sized one, this. I'll lend you this fly. Oh, it's a beast.
Isn't it?
I always say that. Are they filming?
The best part of it is me watching you coming in.
Oh.
They're fighters as well, aren't they?
Oh yeah, I've had some really good fights. This one don't want to come up.
Wow, he is quite big. Well, he looks it anyway.
Yeah, I might knock this on the head, take it up, come over here.
Wow, Ben, the size of this. You're taking that one here.
Yeah.
The one he caught up here the other week was over 3 pounds.
Well, if I get it in. I've only had one over 3. He's not that big.
Oh no, he's not. You a proper member up here or you just pay?
Yeah, I'm a member, but not. I don't. Oh, he is big. Is he big? Nah.
Yeah, average.
What's
Days
the
are
fight
numbered,
then?
son.
Come on, you've had enough playing. Ah, he's real big.
Nice. There you
Ah,
go.
he's big enough.
Yes.
He's big.
Nothing wrong with that.
Right.
Oh, careful.
It's me in here, mind.
Yeah, he'll be on his backside. Do you like getting them, do you?
Well, I had a cracking session. 4 fish. And now, 4 fish on the top pond, all in the same place. And now I'm walking home. It was all the way downhill to get here. And now I've got to walk all the way uphill. Excellent. Right. Happy days. I should have left earlier. Probably about 20 minutes earlier because it's raining now, so I'm going to get wet. Happy days. Not a bad day's fishing though. Oh. Get home, have a coffee, watch the football. Hey. It's only a bit of rain. Oh yeah. Proper raining now. Oh well, I guess I missed this when I was fishing. Almost home. Proper good day's fishing anyway, morning. So yeah, give us a like and subscribe, that'd be awesome. Back next week, maybe I'll try and get some sea fishing done. So try and catch a bass on Saturday. maybe. Let's see what we do. Happy days.